Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and we're back with another vehicle walk-around tour. Going to highlight some of the features, exterior and interior, of this 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. And this vehicle is for sale. If you're interested, we'd love to answer any questions you may have, or even set up a test drive if you like. You can always reach us at feldmanimports.com. And in today's video, we're just going to, again, kind of highlight some of the interior and exterior features. Won't go super in-depth, but we'll definitely walk you through a lot of the key features here today. So just showing some of the Mercedes-Benz badging on the exterior here. We've got our blind spot assist, Mercedes-Benz wheels. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. So you see the white exterior, and then inside we've got this really nice dark gray interior. Some really cool red accent stitching, always a big fan of that. A little accent trim as well. We've got heated power memory seats. Got our driver's seat here, again with more of that red accent stitching. The CLA styled seats, very sporty kind of look. Definitely a big fan. We also have a heated steering wheel. Just flip the switch right there to turn that on. And also have a sunroof here. Let's go ahead and hop inside. All right, so mileage currently 11,778. Do have a push button ignition. And we'll start off kind of showing the steering wheel here. So very similar to most of the Mercedes-Benz steering wheels, very similar configuration. You've got your volume controls, Bluetooth and telephone options there. You've also got your home, back, and then a touchpad here. And this is for controlling your main display here. So I just hit the home button, which brought up this home page here. And then using a little touchpad, you can flip through the different options and then push down to actually select. So while we're here, that's our radio. We've got our backup camera. We've got navigation built in. Also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay. While we're here on the right side of our steering wheel, we do have a paddle shifter. We also have our Mercedes-Benz shifter here, so you flip up for reverse, which again then activates your backup camera. Flip down for drive, and then push in for park. Over on the left side, we have our cruise control functions there, and then a very similar setup with the home, touchpad, and back button. And this actually controls your driver interface here, so you can customize that if you wanted to have navigation up, so you can easily see what the next turn is without having to actually look over to your main display. Phone, radio, if you want to flip through different radio stations, you can do that again with this little touchpad here. Pretty cool. And there's our volume. I'll turn that back down. Okay, and then above that we've got our windshield wipers and turn signal switch there. Okay, so using your main display, it is a touch screen here, so we can use it just like so. Of course, you also have your steering wheel controls we just went over, and you also have a touchpad here in the center console. So you can swipe left and right, up and down, and then push down to actually select. You also notice the ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle. You'll see it, on our doors, the dash, within the vents, even down below. Definitely pretty cool and fully customizable. So we've got this kind of blue color going on currently, ocean blue. Go ahead and switch that to a fire red. You can kind of see how that changes there. You can turn off the multicolor and then just do a single color. And then there's some different effects. So like welcome, when you actually start up the vehicle, you got climate here, which will, if you push up, it'll flash red. If you push down, it'll flash blue. Kind of cool. Okay, what else do we want to show you here? So we got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, USB connections, cup holders, Showed you the touchpad already. We also have our dynamic select switch here, and you just flip that up or down. That'll change between the different performance modes, which affects how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. You also have another volume control here, and then some quick access buttons for navigation, radio, telephone, and whatnot. Okay, go and hop out. We'll show you the rear seats here next, and then the trunk space. One other thing I'll point out here is we also have the clear film installed here, so you can see just this like thin little ridge here of protective plastic that just prevents any door dings, which is kind of a nice little feature. Nice red accent stitching again. We've got our rear seats here. Let's do one more quick peek back up front. And then coming around to the back, we have our CLA 250 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Just flip up the Mercedes logo there to open your trunk. Got some new floor mats, and hey, even a little ice scraper there. How cool. Let's see, one other thing I'll show you here is your backup camera is actually inside the Mercedes logo here. It's a little hard to see, but there's actually a little door right here, and that keeps the camera covered and protected. So say it's raining out, or you just get out of a car wash or something like that, you'll always have a nice crystal clear view at your backup camera. So once again, this is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. If you're interested in learning more, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.